We put the horses up in the trailer because it was raining a little too hard. And Busta didn't want to come back out.
I don't have a helmet for the fall.
Well, at least we're nice and cool.
Yes, we won't sweat.
We might freeze to death.
Why's it got to be like Jack Russell's, the English have?
Oh yeah, they love them.
Anytime. So I'm all the time.
And they're not on leashes, are they?
Oh no.
Oh no, they're like in a little pack. They have... Does Michelle have a booth or anything? Does her stepmom have a booth?
No, you mean Christina?
No, I know Christina does. Of course.
Of course. So he bought me these really nice, expensive boots, and I brought them home. My mom's like, "You take them back to him right now."
That's right. Yeah.
And then he wanted to send me to Hawkeye Hill Racing Academy, and he kind of like said, "That's it." She's not, so we can go.
Skeeters around here.
Did you videotape me burping? What's up? I gotta find it.
Whoa.
Yeah, I haven't drank mine yet.
Oh, you haven't?
The treat lady.
Now.
The tree has fallen over the trail some months back, and it hasn't been cleared yet.
There's some water up here.
Making canner, Kathy. Yeah.
Easy.
Blue splash. He always stops when I get my camera out. I was afraid of dropping it in that deep water. Even though this is a regular place we've been before, I just have to video because I hadn't videoed in a while. Hey, buddy. Try? No, but look how well they really have gotten along today. For real. Using up these $160 shoes. I'm walking him on the pavement. spite of the rain earlier, it turned out to be a really nice day and a nice ride with my friends. Link did well. He kept up with the gaited horse. And Kathy's horse, Busta, didn't show his butt today. So it was a great ride.